Ireland is home to an expensive and controversial wildlife management operation. It is one of only 2 countries in Europe to operate a government-licensed badger culling programme under the belief that the animals are spreading TB to cattle. Thousands of badgers are destroyed each year by the Department of Agriculture as part of its efforts to eradicate the disease. However, new figures obtained by the journal Investigates reveal that more than 80% of the badgers killed and tested in the past 5 years were completely free of the disease.
Those numbers are really just, in my opinion, criminal, in the sense that how can this not constitute a wildlife crime to decimate a species like that?
The state had pledged to phase out the cull in favour of vaccinating badgers, but in practice, the opposite is happening. The number of badgers vaccinated has fallen, while culling has continued, even in designated vaccine areas. Wildlife advocates strongly disagree with continued culling.
Bovine tuberculosis, it's gone through the roof over the last years, and there's no difference. The policy is making absolutely no difference.
How these badgers are trapped is also controversial. The Department of Agriculture uses a device it calls a stop body restraint, but wildlife experts say this is simply a snare, a method not used in most parts of Europe.
We'll go out and we'll meet a member of public that usually is quite panicked and quite upset about what they're seeing. And they're seeing a badger typically snared around its waist. And the badger is fighting its way to try and get out of this snare. Essentially, the snare is cutting into their abdomen. And we will see that their organs inside are horrifically damaged.
A 2023 Red Sea poll by IceDam with badgers found that 80% of the Irish public want snares banned. Yet, the cull continues.
And I feel really sorry for farmers who are led up the garden path, constantly told what to do. And often farmers are blamed for their attitude, whereas what I'm seeing is the farmers do not believe that the current bovine tuberculosis eradication policy is working.
So why has nothing changed? Read our full report on thejournal.ie.